Nick with Drain My Lawn, and today we're looking at culverts. We have another video on our channel talking about what to do and what not to do on culverts, but here is a great example of what not to do and what can go wrong if you fail at this point. This is the exit of a culvert, and it has been sedimented over time. Sediment has built up in the pipe, but it doesn't just happen by itself. There's some contributing factors. The main one right here are the rocks and the riprap that's made to stop the erosion of the water running out have been built up. You can see here, these rocks were here before. These are rocks that are buried, and this has been totally sedimented. And here's a rock here. This is kind of on top, but these are all rocks that were here. This is a really big pipe, but you see that the sediment comes up to the level of the rocks, and this is what happens if you put rocks past the face of the pipe. So if you have the big circle of the pipe like this and you build the rocks up at the end halfway, you're going to fill your pipe up halfway with sediment over time. So what you do to avoid that is you make sure that when you have your pipe exit like this, that your rocks are coming up to the bottom. So like with here, these rocks are coming up and the sediment is lifting it, coming right up to the top of those rocks. That's because when water hits rocks, it changes directions and sediment drops out. And so you want to make sure that your sediment in a culvert is going to be below the bottom of this pipe. So what we're going to have to do with this is we're going to take out all this sediment, resituate the rock below the pipe bottom, and then clean out the pipe so that way this system doesn't totally fail. If you need drainage in Charlotte, North Carolina, go to drainmylawn.com or call us at 704-489-3444.